Oh, I gotta go.
Damn. So this is what it came to, huh? You won't let it resort to this? I think there was other solutions though. But hey, she said time's up, I had enough and I'm gone. All the dreams that I promised was taking too long. Here that I'm thinking it's for the long haul, but she's got bigger plans, time for me to move on. If I ever got on, you can guarantee you get it too. And anything you ask, no question, yeah I did it too. A dream is a dream, nothing's for certain, but I see clearer now that you opened up these curtains. It's really kinda sad that you had these intentions, like a double agent pretending your affection. You grimy and heartless. Did I mention I'm glad that this present unwrapped like this? That stank attitude you can promise I won't miss. She wants finer things like the Gucci and Louis. Acting like that won't get you to the movies. And you still got the nerve to say
everything that I need, that I wanted. All those dreams you promised me, was that a front? I wanna know everything that I need, that I wanted. All those dreams you promised me, your time is up. I gotta go. I gotta go.
wow. These days are rough cause we don't get enough time alone to enjoy you and us. Let's sneak away in the dark, leave them in the dust. Let's turn off our phones with no disruptions. Let me remind you why you lust them. Let the dream rock and we start wrestling. It makes no sense why we arguing. You're right, I'm wrong, so let's move on. No disrespect, all the screaming, I don't hear that. Throwing low blows, what you really trying to get at? If mind games you playing, it's like Monopoly. Baby, you winning, you got all the property, and I'ma keep it coming just like a factory. And then out the blue, you dead everything.
Everything